If you're looking on YouTube for help with CNC plasma cutting table, you're probably already frustrated, so we'll get started. Cutting holes always seems to never quite work out unless you want to invest a lot of money. Usually larger holes work out fine, but holes for bolts usually have too much offset from kerf drift. So here is the way I addressed the problem, starting from what works best to what helps, but not that much. The quickest fix I have found is simply cut the part with the holes, then take the parts to the iron worker and punch the holes with the same size punch as hole cut. Just one thing, the part should be placed with the same side up as what was on the plasma table. You don't want the hole going from the wide kerf side to the smaller hole that's on the top. Second trick, keep water levels high as possible. This seems to help keep the kerf straighter. Lastly, if you don't have your table earth grounded, you need to. This improves all cuts by 100%. I need your subscription. Please subscribe and like. Leave comments if you want to see more tips.